Alright guys, good morning. This is it, all my medicine from in the state. Yan ang mga resibo guys sa kila Alok Dipen Bisley from the depression from the clinic, and this is it, the receipt. And this is my receipt for all my buying the Walmart store state Walmart. This is the one. And then because my medicine for the diabetes is 1,000 milligrams. This is it. For my high blood, 10 milligrams. High blood. That is what. This is all my medicine. Every day I will take this one. If you don't have this one, you don't have it to me. That's why I tell you guys, I will be fighting every day. If you see me like always smiling, busy, but inside my body, my head is always dizzy. Like I feel like drunk every day. I can relax if I'm sleeping, guys. Thanks to you guys. After this one, take this all my medicine. I go into the dentist again to remove my teeth. After that dentist, I taken also that one the video guys, and then this coming next weekend I go to my my regular checkup again in the hospital here in Saipan, because in the state I not ordinarily bad I check up my body, but this time I come back here in Saipan to my checkup again. Okay guys, i-continue ko na to guys after finish all my dentist clinic. Okay, at least may have a video today guys. Alright, love you guys. Don't forget, love mama in the sea and the land. I love you guys. Continuous natin guys after this one. At least you see it, my medicine every day I'm using. By the way, this is my gout. The doctor there also, he give me ibuprofen 800 because it's very strong, my gout. This one supposed to be every day I'm using too. Yeah, every day. And this is my multivitamins. Yeah. Alright, let's go na tayo guys. Mababa ang ating video pa mamaya pa. After this one, let's go to the dentist clinic. At least this all my medicine. That's why this I tell you the truth. What happened for me every day. Alright, enjoy lang guys. Continuous natin guys. Good morning, Mr. B again. Good morning. I look inside one. It's Sunday in the morning, like say 8 o'clock. This is it, my place. Now this time I'm going to the Saipan clinic to take out my teeth guys. Kaya continuous lang natin ito guys. Pasensya na guys sa sasakyan ko, maingay siya ngayon kasi yung sa likod dyan, dalawang bearing ang na-damage. Pero itong next week, maging okay na yan siya guys pag dumating yung pieces dyan isa sa Rio Nevada guys. Yeah. Kaya continuous tayo guys, pagpunta dun sa pagpunta ng meeting ko ngayon. And after this one, next week, sa hospital na tayo guys. Okay guys, so look, it's Sunday. So last sometime in the Rio Nevada, like this too. Dito tayo guys. Mukhang tayo guys. Guys. Ang daming 70s Adventist clinic guys. Tayo guys. Titignan natin guys kung ano tayo. Kaya tingnan mo mga kapila ngayon. Ang dami. Kasi Papa Jerry ngayon guys, na-cancel ngayon ng tanggal ng ngipin natin dahil wala ng papel. Kaya sabi ng nasa opisina, sa next year pa daw ako patanggal. Pero siguro guys, baka sa na ako. Sa hospital na lang ako guys. Pero binigyan ako ng sliding paper para dito sa pagbunot ng ngipin ko guys. Kasi ang dami nga nakapila. Tingnan nyo ng sliding paper ko guys. Itong sliding paper. Yan. Kaya ito naman. Standby na muna tayo ito. Parang wala tayong magagawa. Kaya ang tagal lang natin guys. Ang tagal natin naman maghintay pero sa hospital lang. Tingnan mo naman guys sa likod ko. Kung ano karami ang nagpipila yan kasi wala na doon ayan mga kababaeng ko yan guys. Kung sa mga mga gurama na to sa Saipan, mga matatagal ko na itong mga kaibigan dito, taga 30 years na din sa Saipan itong mga kababaeng ko rito. Alright may sa top mga ka-Umar, hindi mo nakita masagot dahil busy ako sa pag-video rito sa dentist clinic. Kaya ayan guys, tandaan na tayo maalis kasi maghati pa tayo kay misis sa sa trabaho ya. Alright, shout out to Umar and my friend in the Sacramento, California, Mr. B, my darling guys. Okay, tingnan nyo ng parada mga sasakyan guys, ang dami. Kaya itong naman ang labasan ng karsada dito guys. Wala. Cancel. Yun ang sasakyan natin. Ayun tingnan nyo ulit guys, ang dami. Okay, hanggang dito lang video natin guys. God bless you. See you soon in the my spot, fishing spot. Alright. See.